all my babies. It's your girl Rare Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell your mom and them, because we are lady over here. Without further ado, we got a little haul, a little something going on. So let's get into it. So first, what are we gonna get into? Because there's a little bit of everything from everywhere, y'all. Lately I've been on Mercari, and like when I go thrifting with my nana, I love going to the jewelry section and the purse section. So when I went on Mercari, of course I went to the jewelry section, and y'all, everything is so cute. So and some of these items, I don't know if they're stainless steel, you know, it's costume jewelry. So, you know, seen this little necklace, just cute, and you know, little charm bracelets. This is what is it, a Minnie Mouse vintage. If y'all hear fans in the background, I'm sorry, it's hot. This is a vintage Minnie Mouse bracelet. This was just an extra necklace they put in there. I got some brass bracelets. Thought this was cute, kind of remind me of like Sailor Moon or something. And then this one is a vintage Barbie bracelet. I know these kind of look small, but I can just add an extender to it and it'll be fine. So yeah, those are the items I purchased off of Mercari. Yeah. Let me throw this stuff away. Alright, the next one, I got this from the Xpress. This is like a pocket action camera. I'm still like working with it. So I don't know, maybe I might start vlogging, because my mom was like, I wish you just vlog, and I was like, girl, that takes a lot. So we'll see. The graphics from just looking at the screen is pretty nice, but once I edit everything, I can see how the actual sound is coming from this. But so far I don't have any complaints. I want to say it came with this and some other pieces. This is so you can use it underwater. But yeah, so we'll see how this goes. Let's see. I think this is a Mercari package. Alright, so I had purchased this little keychain because I thought it was cute. It's a LV type keychain. It's when they came out with that polka dot collection. I just thought this was cute. Keychain. And then I purchased these. I'm not going to take them out, but oh, these are cute. I purchased these little, they're like flat back, little, you know, 3D, but designer brand things. I'm thinking about making like, what you call them? Phone case, making some phone cases for myself. So yeah, I got these off of Mercari. So be on the lookout for the phone cases. I don't know where some stuff is, where they're from, until I open them. So, okay, this is from the Gate. I've seen this because I actually wanted to put this on either a purse or my keys, but I think this is so cute. I might just put this on my purse. But yeah, I got this from the DH. What was I about to say? They had different ones, but I seen this one. It was so cute because I'm like, it's a miniature purse. It's definitely functional, so you can put stuff in here. Maybe like, you know, ear beat thingy things. So I thought this was cute. So I'm probably not gonna put this on my keys because I'm real rough on my keys. My keys be dropping in dirt and everything. So I'll probably just use this as a purse charm. But I definitely thought this was cute. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is from Temu. Perfume. Thought it was cute. It's called Monet's Garden. I'm gonna let that sit out right for a moment. Let that ride on out before we smell it. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to make sure I'm cleaning up my mess as I go. Up here using my little pickup tool. Oh, this smells good. It's real light. It's real light and it gives you like a very fresh smell. That smells good. That definitely smells good. Alright, y'all, we got this little box. I can't really show it because it got my address on like all sides of it. So let's go ahead and open it. Ouch. That's a break nail. Make sure I ain't breaking a nail. That hurt. Alright, here we go. They're probably like, they look like a baby shoe. Y'all, this is a charger. Y'all know I love sneakers. Y'all know my favorite color is purple. There goes the charging port right there. I'm guessing. Okay, so in and out. So in, you'll have to charge it. Out is how you charge your phone or whatever. I thought this was so cute. I could definitely use this as a purse, charm, whatever. It got some, definitely got some weight to it. And y'all, it's, come on now, it's a high top dunk. Cute. Nike Air, everything, and it's a charger. And it comes with its charger right here. And that's it. I'm throwing this box away. I don't need to keep no trash. And y'all, just one quick side note. Did y'all know, you know, like, you know, the Klarna Zip Afterpay? Do you know you can zip groceries, y'all? I had just found that out not too long ago. And I zip groceries. I definitely did. There's no shame in my game. I used it at Walmart, so I was able to get all my stuff, and I zipped it. Let me know if y'all want a more detailed talk about that in the comments. Let me know. But definitely, y'all know times is hard. Whether you're a single parent or not, whether you got kids or don't got no kids, or just money is funny. You know, I understand. You can zip groceries. You definitely can. So that's a little FYI to the family out there. You know me, I don't gatekeep. I like to keep the information going. We got a bag inside of a bag. I think I already know what this is, so I'm gonna be careful opening this because this is a gift for somebody. So this is a gift for one of my uncles for Father's Day that's coming up. He loves the Cleveland Browns. He's a Brownie, so got him a Cleveland Browns adjustable hat. It has the new Era sticker right there with the new Era adjustable sticker right there. I got this from the Expressway. So, Father's Day is coming up. Be careful. And also purchase, a brownies throw. So yeah, for Father's Day. Gotta take that downstairs with the rest of the Father's Day stuff. And then we got two more packages. We got this one and another one. And this is from Temu. So first, y'all, I be getting my memory cards from there. I'm telling y'all, get y'all memory cards. This is 128 gigabytes. I want to say this was only like $4 and some change. So yeah, definitely for your large capacity memory cards, definitely look on Temu. What else? Got me some Sanrio Hello Kitty charms. These are some more charms. They like look like the little piercings stuff for my nails. The little monster eyes. I'm getting ready for Halloween. Because y'all know I love wearing stuff all year round Halloween. I had to get me another purse strap. I lost my purse strap, so I got me another brown one. They got cheap purse straps on there. I got this purse strap to match my little bag that I have for like the summertime, just for something simple. It's a Daisy bag of, what is it, Daisy from Disney, Mickey Mouse. So I got this one to match the bag since that's Daisy's. What else? More gems, just rhinestones for my nails. Let's see what's in here. Oh, these are bigger than I thought they were. Butterfly gems, nail gems. Baby nail gems are definitely cheap on there, y'all. Do not sleep on Temu. And then this is that 3D gel people be using when they be like doing the mermaid nails and all that stuff. I got that. That's in the color, it's called Candy Carbon Gel. It's in the color black, and then I also got it in the color, I think, white or clear. Which one is this one? Clear. So yeah. And then right here, LV had, like I said earlier, came out with like a polka dot type of line. Y'all seen this on Temu, had to get it. I thought it was cute. They had this color and a white color. I didn't want the white color because like when I wear white, it'll be like a white t-shirt. I don't wear like a whole white ensemble. So I was like, I don't want a white color purse. And y'all, I thought this was so cute. So it's a purse, this. And then I thought I would actually put the keychain on it because I thought it was cute. But yeah, y'all, it's a little cute little purse, cute, with the polka dots. And then make sure we still recording. And then last package. Where is this from? Baby packaging these are real good. Y'all see it. I decided to get this one more try. Y'all know last time when I did the heart bag, it looked like a frisbee, a boomerang. So this actually does look better. The heart purse, this is from the Gateway, and it actually looked more proportioned better. Y'all know I love hearts. Comes with a lock. Inside, it's a little small, but it's definitely cute. So yeah, y'all, this is cute. So this is everything, and I hope y'all enjoyed my short little video of my unboxing, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.